Hey everyone, ever wondered how to make your hard drive faster and free up some space? Well, defragmentation is the key. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to defragment your HDD and make it faster. Let's get started. First, open up the File Explorer on your computer. Then right-click on the drive or partition you want to defrag. Just a heads up, make sure the partition is on a hard disk drive, HDD, not an SSD drive, as you don't need to defragment an SSD partition. Now once you right-click on the partition, the context menu should pop up. Select Properties from there. Then switch to the Tools tab. Now click on the Optimize button and this program should come up. Now select your partition from this program and click on Analyze. And it will tell you how much that partition has been fragmented. To defragment, just hit that Optimize button and let the program do its magic. Now if your partition is super fragmented, it will take a while to defrag. Just hang tight and don't close the program. And remember, it's a good idea to check with this program every now and then. If your fragmentation goes above 10% or thereabouts, it's time to defrag again. So that's about it, guys. If the video was useful to you, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.